Okay, so if you've ever thought about blogging, but you needed a checklist, this is it right here. This is 45 pages. 45 pages. Awesome checklist, okay, of how to start blogging, your ultimate checklist. And if you go to this link, you'll get to see all the pages right here. And it's super cool. The other thing I thought is, if you thought about blogging, but you don't know how to start, I put together this 100 blogging ideas right here in 10 blog niches that match. So it's 100 total. So there's 10 ideas for the type of blog to start, and then there's 10 post ideas. And then as a bonus, I show you how to use Jet blooper Chat GPT to match. um, you know, you just take the blog post idea and I give you the prompt, you put it in there, and it will actually write the post for you. Okay, here's an example. If you were to start a done for you home decor blog, okay, do it yourself. Um, One of the ideas you could write about is 10 stunning, budget friendly, do it yourself decor ideas to transform your home. Or how about step by step guide to creating a cozy and stylish living room? Or how to upcycle old furniture like a pro? I know somebody on Facebook who has a group just doing that. Okay. But you could start a blog on that. You could do best do it yourself storage hacks to declutter your home. Every day I try to declutter my home. Easy do it yourself wall art ideas to make your space pop. How to make a beautiful holiday wreath in under an hour. See, this is a measurable result. Can't talk this morning. So, I mean, there's 10 profitable blog niches. And then you've got 10 ideas per blog niche. And then you've got the prompts. You just put it in Chat GPT. Let me show you how to do that. So if we go here, I love this, how to make a beautiful holiday wreath in under an hour. So let's go into Chat GPT. And we're going to put that prompt in there. And I'm going to say, write a 1,000 word article on, now watch this. And I'm going to put in a stay at home mom's tone of voice. Okay, watch this. So I click. Okay, 1001, 1002, 1003. 3 seconds later, it starts writing the blog post for you. Is that not crazy? And you could say 5,000 words. It might make you break it up. Who cares? This is amazing. Okay, so here's your first blog post. All right, so as it's writing it, you can actually upgrade. This is the free version, but you can also upgrade and ask it to make an image for every blog post. Yeah, that's what I'm doing on Shopify. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. Okay, so I'll show you an example when it gets through. You can do a couple, at least 2, maybe 3 images on the free version, and then after that, it requires you to upgrade. But this is so cute. Make an attach bow, hang and enjoy. And if you're worried about copyright, you can go to Google and put in copyright checker. You can select all, copy it, paste it in there, make sure there's no copyright infringement. Okay, so it's just writing away. And then over here, I'm going to put, it says, I've created a detailed guide on making a beautiful holiday wreath in under an hour. Let me know if you need any edits. So I'm going to put a little, that was good. And then I'm going to put create an image that depicts this article. And then I'm going to hit the arrow and watch this. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 6, 7, 8 seconds, 9 seconds, 10 seconds, 11 seconds, 12 seconds. Boom. Look at that. And you can just download that and insert it in your blog. Is that not beautiful? Don't you love it? So if you want to know, you get 10 in every category, and then you get the prompts that tell you how to do what I just did. Okay. Just go grab this. It's crazy cheap, really. Inexpensive. Not cheap, inexpensive. Okay. I hope that helps. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.